In this video, I will show you how to increase thickness of grid lines in Microsoft Excel. So simple and easy way. Default, you will see this. So first thing you have to do, select this all cells by clicking in this corner. So left side, you will see this corner, just click on it. Now here click on this drop down and select thick outside borders. Now here select all borders. Now click anywhere. So this way you can increase thickness of grid lines in Excel. To remove this thickness of grid lines, again select this all cells, border and select no border like this. So thanks for watching. This is the way to increase thickness of grid lines.